Alright guys, so we are now going to look and turn into remuneration of capital as a factor of production. What remuneration does capital receive? And remember, when we talk about capital, we talk about money capital as well as real capital. So guys, firstly, people or banks, that people are as consumers or individuals or households, and banks are financial institutions. People or banks lend their money. This is money capital. So you understand that as a person, you can borrow a tabang money, or Absa can borrow Tabang money. So Tabang can borrow money from two people in the economy or from two economic participants. Households which are as individuals, Tabang can come and borrow money from you as a person, or Tabang can go to a bank to borrow money. So when a bank gives Tabang money, the bank is lending money and Tabang is borrowing that money. Similarly to when you are giving Tabang money, you are lending Tabang money and Tabang is borrowing. Okay, so when people and other banks or financial institutions lend their money to other people, organizations, they charge a price. That's very important, meaning interest is the cost or the price of borrowing. Interest is the price of borrowing. Okay, this price is known as interest. If you borrow Tabang, if you lend Tabang 100 Rand and you said, I want my 100 Rand to come back with as 150, Tabang will be paying you back with interest. 100 Rand will be the money, the capital that you gave to Tabang, then 50 Rand will be interest. Similarly, if Tabang goes to Absa to borrow 100 Rand and Absa says, at the end of this term, I need you to pay back 125. 100 Rand is the capital that Tabang has borrowed from Absa, then 25 Rand will be the interest. That interest is the price of borrowing money. So if you borrow money from financial institution, you pay interest when you repay back that loan. Then that means the bank receives interest from the capital that it borrowed you. And what type of capital that be? The money capital. Okay. Then if you save money as an individual or you invest money at a financial institution, for example, if you take 10,000 that you have and say, I don't need this money now. I'm going to invest it at ABSA for a period of 12 months. I only use it in December. When you go and get that money back, you're going to get it back with interest. So if you save money at the financial institution, you earn interest, because if you save 10,000 in December, when you withdraw your investment, you would be having 11,000 or 12,000. That means that difference between 10,000 that you invested and the 12,000 that you might have received at the end of the term of your investment would be the interest that you have earned. So what you need to understand is that interest in the economy is only earned by money capital, not real capital. Money capital is the one that earns interest in the economy. Guys, that will bring an end to our discussion regarding the analysis of factors of production capital in this particular, with the main focus on their remuneration as well as characteristics, while also discuss their importance as well as their functions. If there are any questions, please do forward them for discussion, and the answers will be provided to your questions to elaborate on the points that you do not understand. Until then, we will see each other in the next lesson, when we're going to explore in detail the last factor of production, entrepreneurship, which is necessary in the economy. And you also get to understand why entrepreneurship is the most important factor of production, because what you will learn is that entrepreneurship is one factor of production with ability to combine all other three factors of production in order to produce goods and services in the economy. Until then, thank you guys for the lesson or joining in. We will see each other in the next lesson. Thank you.